This is the part where you speak. No waiting, no shrinking, no maybe later. Right now, with us. Say this sentence.
I am going to get better at English, and I will not give up.
Say it again. I am going to get better at English, and I will not give up.
Feel those two halves. I am going to get better. That's your plan, your roots, your decision that already existed before this moment. You didn't just decide to get better, you've been working at it. This podcast is evidence. Your roots are showing.
And I will not give up. That's your spontaneous promise, made right now in this moment, to yourself. No plan required, just a decision born in your chest, right here.
Both halves are true. Both halves are yours.
Let's close with our story. One character, one journey. Will and going to living side by side, the way they do in real life.
His name is Marcus. For 3 years, Marcus has been thinking about going back to university. And this week, he finally decided. He's going to apply. He already downloaded the forms. He already spoke to his manager about adjusting his hours. The decision has roots. The future is already walking towards him.
On the day he sits down to fill in the forms, his sister calls. She hears something nervous in his voice, and she says, "Marcus, it's going to be hard sometimes, but it's also going to be worth it. I know it." She can see the path ahead of him. She can see the evidence in who he is. Going to. Her prediction has roots in everything she knows about her brother.
And Marcus picks up the pen, literally, and finally picks it up, and says quietly to himself, I will do this. I will figure it out, one day at a time. Not a plan, not a calendar entry, just a promise, made in this moment, born in his chest. Will.
He's going to apply. Plan, roots, decision already made. It's going to be hard, prediction with evidence. I will do this, spontaneous promise, born in the moment. One character, one story, both futures living naturally together.
And that's how it works in real life. You don't use one or the other exclusively. You move between them because your life has both kinds of future in it. The things you've already decided, and the things you decide as you go.
And now you know the difference. You can feel it, not because you memorized a rule, because you understand the feeling behind each one, the roots and the spark, the plan and the promise.
Confidence is more important than perfection, and you're already more confident than you were 20 minutes ago. That's real. That's yours.
Before we go, if this episode helped you, if something clicked, if you finally feel the difference between will and going to, please share this episode with someone. Leave a comment, subscribe, help us reach the learners who are still looking for a podcast that speaks to them like a human being and not a grammar machine.
Because that's what we're trying to do every single episode. Make English feel like something you can live in, something warm, something that belongs to you.
Thank you to the subscriber who inspired today's topic. Your question gave everyone listening something they needed. And that, quietly, simply, is a beautiful thing.
All right, until next time.
Know your roots.
Trust your spark.
And keep speaking.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.